AnuScript Manager 7.0 installation setup on Windows 11 operating system. Explain. Installation before set your system options. Desktop Windows search box lo virus and treat. Enter. First option virus and treat protection. Select virus and treat protection window lo second option virus and treat protection settings related. First one manage settings. Click. First one option real-time protection related option on set left side edge button mouse left click. Windows security lo first button yes click. Two options offset off display scroll down cloud delivered protection related option on set button left side edge mouse left click off display. Next option automatic sample submission left side edge mouse left click. Next temper protection left side edge mouse left click. After installation process completed AnuScript Manager all options reset on set window minimize desktop browser open Google search box lo as it is same enter key press third link and fourth any one link click. Already download this file browser close desktop AnuScript Manager folder select open window maximize. Second one setup PS file select mouse right click properties option select setup PS properties window lo fifth option compatibility select compatibility mode section lo first one run this program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set mouse left click related box right side down arrow click Windows XP Service Pack 3 option select bottom side third button apply first button OK click. As its same method third file setup file apply setup TTF select mouse right click properties option select setup TTF properties window lo fifth one option compatibility select compatibility mode section lo run this program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set mouse left click related box right side down arrow click Windows XP Service Pack 3 option select bottom side apply third button click first button OK click. Next second one setup PS select mouse right click run as administrator option click setup ps.exe window lo first button yes click. Welcome to the AnuScript Manager setup wizard window lo first button next click. Select components full installation all options tick mark set to default unnecessary options tick mark remove main files unnecessary left side box tick mark remove mouse left click. Second one Telugu PostScript necessary Telugu fonts related. Third one if you typing in AnuScript Manager Hindi language necessary tick mark set to present unnecessary in my system left side tick mark remove. Next fourth option ding bits PostScript unnecessary box tick mark remove. Second button next click. Select start menu folder newly created folder name AnuScript Manager default set. Second button next click. Select additional task additional icon create a desktop icon default necessary tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install selecting all options complete info display in middle section. Second button install click. Extracting files 89 found. ASMS installer window lo could not open registry file. OK button click. Completing the AnuScript Manager setup wizard window lo second option no I restart the computer later left side circle tick mark set finish button click. As its same method second one set of files, select, mouse right click, run as administrator, select, set up ttf.exe window, first button, yes click, first button, yes click. Welcome to the AnuScript Manager setup wizard window, first button, next click. In the script unnecessary tick mark remove and ding bits true types tick mark remove, second button, next click. Select start menu folder, default folder name AnuScript Manager set, second button, next click. Select additional task window, additional icon, create a desktop icon, default tick mark set, second button, next click. Ready to install window, second button, install click. Installing extracting files, 178 found files, OK button click. Completing the AnuScript Manager setup wizard, present system restart, first option, left side circular tick mark set, finish button click. After system restart process completed, desktop Windows search box, control panel, enter. First one, control panel select, window maximize, right side top edge large icons down arrow click. Second one, large icons click. Third section lo, fourth option, fonts select, personalization and fonts section lo, legacy fonts control panel interface button click. Window maximize, minimize, close, desktop file explorer document open, left side this PC select, first one new volume C select open, first one folder anu sm select open, ps fonts select open, second folder pfm select open, all fonts select, anyone select, keyboard shortcut key control a, mouse right click, second icon copy click, fonts folder reopen, empty place, mouse right click, first icon paste click. Cannot install Akshara PFM box left side tick mark set, close button click. 89 fonts installed. Next, fonts folder minimize, left side back to arrow click, again click, second folder TTF select open, all fonts reselect, anyone select, keyboard shortcut key control A, mouse right click, second icon copy click, fonts folder close, font folder reopen, mouse right click, paste icon click, left side box tick mark set, first button yes click, installing all fonts 89 fonts, process completed, fonts folder close, system restart again. After system restart process completed, desktop shortcut Anu 7 select, mouse right click, properties option click, AnuScript Manager properties window, sixth option compatibility select, compatibility mode section lo, run this program in compatibility mode for, left side box tick mark set, related box right side down arrow click, Windows XP Service Pack 3 set, bottom side third button apply click, first button OK click, desktop Windows search box lo, Photoshop enter, first one Adobe Photoshop 7.0 select, file menu click, new option select, new window lo, enter the file name, work related file name enter, Chari. Preset size third one, right side down arrow click, A4 set, work related page, OK button click, Photoshop minimize, desktop AnuScript Manager, select mouse double click, kb7.exe window first button, yes click, first box Telugu, direct keyboard shortcut use control plus alt plus shift plus T, second one box do phonetic, change this language keyboard, right side next button click, Apple set, first button OK click, Photoshop reopen, text click, text Telugu font select top section lo, down arrow click, anyone Telugu language select, Pragati select, font size 30, right side down arrow click, 72 select, Chari Tech Info Warangal. Next, MS Word typing. Photoshop minimize, desktop window search box లో Word enter. First option Word select, window maximize, blank document template select, mouse double click. Typing before select font style, right side down arrow click, scroll down. Priyanka bold select, font size 26, enter Telugu text. Chari Tech Info Varangal select 32, enter key press.